Hunting is an important tool that leverages the power of YARA rules over VT dataset. It consists of two different components. Live Hunt allows you to be notified when there are new files uploaded to VirusTotal which match your YARA conditions. Retro Hunt allows you to search for files that were already submitted in VirusTotal some time ago and match your YARA rules. Here you can see a Live Hunt example where you can specify your IPs and domains. Each time a new file containing these strings is uploaded, you will be notified and receive detailed information for further study and investigations. The same rule can be applied in Retro Hunt to find all files that have been uploaded in the past.